Hey there! Welcome to Power Process Electrical Engineering Tech. Today we will know how to work ladder logic diagram. First, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Ladder logic diagram, LLD, is a graphical programming language used for designing and documenting the control logic in programmable logic controllers, PLCs. It represents the control logic using a series of interconnected contacts, input conditions, and coils, output actions, arranged in a ladder-like structure. Here are the key elements and conventions used in a ladder logic diagram. Rungs: each rung represents a specific step or condition in the control logic. Rungs are typically read from left to right and are executed sequentially. Contacts represent input conditions that need to be met for the logic to continue. Contacts can be normally open, NO, or normally closed, NC. A NO contact becomes true when the input condition is met, allowing the logic flow to continue. An NC contact becomes false when the input condition is met, allowing the logic flow to continue. Coils represent the output actions that are performed when the input conditions are met. When a coil is energized, it activates the associated output device, such as a motor or solenoid. Coils are often labeled with a symbol representing the output device they control. Power rails, typically represented by vertical lines on the left and right sides of the diagram, provide the electrical power needed for the contacts and coils. Branches, represented by vertical lines, allow for parallel paths in the logic. This means that multiple conditions can be evaluated simultaneously, and the logic can take different paths based on the results. A network refers to a group of contacts connected in series. If any of the contacts in a network are false, in the case of NO contacts, or true, in the case of NC contacts, the entire network becomes false and interrupts the logic flow. Program scan: PLCs execute the ladder logic in a continuous loop called a program scan. During each scan, the PLC reads the status of the input conditions, evaluates the logic, and activates the corresponding output actions. It's important to note that ladder logic is a symbolic representation of the control logic and doesn't directly resemble the physical wiring of the system. PLC programming software translates the ladder logic into machine code that the PLC can execute. When creating a ladder logic diagram, it's crucial to understand the system requirements, input-output devices, and the desired control logic sequence. Additionally, it's recommended to consult the documentation and guidelines provided by the PLC manufacturer and software used for programming to ensure correct implementation. The specific symbols and conventions used in ladder logic diagrams may vary slightly between different PLC manufacturers, but the basic principles remain the same. In this example, the rungs consist of a series of contacts and a coil. The coils represent output devices, and the contacts represent input conditions. The contacts on the left side of the rungs act as input conditions, and the coil on the right side represents the output device. The logic flow in the ladder diagram is determined by the status of the contacts. If all the contacts in a rung are closed, energized, the coil on the same rung will be energized, activating the corresponding output device. Ladder logic diagrams can become more complex with the use of multiple rungs, branches, timers, counters, and other specialized symbols, allowing for the implementation of sophisticated control logic in PLCs. It's worth noting that ladder logic diagrams can vary in appearance and notation slightly based on the specific PLC programming software or manufacturer, but the fundamental concepts and symbols remain consistent. Thanks for watching.